Welcome back. I'm here with a legend in electric fan engineering. Well, that's the name of his company, Electric Fan Engineering. He is known to design, patent, and research all the stuff that goes into electric fans. With me here, as his friends call him, is the godfather of electric fans. Please welcome Roger Clemente of Electric Fan Engineering. Roger, I know it's Electric Fan Engineering's 40th birthday. Give us a little bit of synopsis and history of the company.
Well, many years ago, in fact 40 years ago, I used to buy and sell exotic used cars, like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Panteras, and they all overheated. And at that time I said, well, gee, we got to research electric fans. So I got involved, I developed fans, and from one thing to another, my fans were so powerful, I had to go into the heavy duty market. And that's where we are today. Now, we have several major products. We have the turbine electric fans right here.
Right here we have the turbine. Explain that to me. How does that work?
Well, we have sizes that range from anywhere from 12 inches to 30 inches in diameter. And they're designed specifically to replace the engine-driven fan found on a car or a truck. Basically, this unit is good for an engine up to about 400 horsepower found on a Class 8 tractor. You replace the engine-driven fan, you'll gain about 40 to 50 horsepower. So there's a lot of advantages. Better fuel economy, makes the engine a lot easier to work on, less noise.
Yeah, and that's what companies look for, to save money. And if you save money in the fuel, it's a plus for everyone.
That's correct. One of the other items that we have here is the Thermal Max heat exchangers. We design heavy-duty heat exchangers for off-road trucks, for military applications. And these units are very robust. You could hit it with a object, and you don't dent it. It's very robust. Another item that we have here is the ThermalStar cooling systems. We have hat cooling and we have body cooling systems. On the body cooling systems, it takes air in, comes up over the body, and exhausts out. The body cooling systems can be used by law enforcement, firefighters, military, anybody that's exposed to a hot environment, construction workers. And when they're working outside, they get heat exhausted because of the hot temperature. So by moving air across the body, it evaporates body moisture, creates a cooling effect.
Right, and it's safe for the worker. There's no overheating, no exhaustion. Productivity for the company still can move forward with a crew that's well adapted to the environment and is conducive to the work area.
That is correct, and plus it improves workers' performance. It's a win-win situation for everybody.
Now that you are called the godfather of the electric fan, I see your brain working all the time, Roger. What have you, if you have anything in the future, what are you researching and trying to design for us so you would shock us in the future?
We have a system that's going to be basically a 48-volt system that's going to be used on a class, which is designed for a Class 8 truck. Our competitors are using multiple fan systems to do certain applications, and we're going to come up with a fan system that uses one fan. It's ridiculous what they're doing now. It's like putting 10 engines in a truck to move the truck. Why do you have to use 10 fans to do the same thing? We'll do it with one fan. We have the technology. We've been here for 40 years. We're the experts in the field.
Well, if a company today has been around for 40 years, they're doing something right. So, Roger, if I or anybody or an owner-operator or a fleet manager wants to get in touch with Electric Fan Engineering, what's the best way?
Well, the best way is to go to our website. They can fill out a form or call us. We have an 800 number. The 800 number is 1-800-338-4120.
So here you have Roger Clemente, a pioneer in fans. I mean, if you have a fan issue, like he said, why use 10 fans when you could use one from Electric Fan Engineering? I think Roger and the gang at Electric Fan Engineering has the solution to any problem that you may have. Roger, it was a pleasure having you on, and you are a legend, and keep on going.
This better come out right, because I'm the godfather, and I'll come after you.
You heard it. If you don't hear from me on Wheels in Motion anymore, look out for Roger. He's probably the one. Thank you, folks, for watching.